people that block me. I have 2 people that block me now on my Instagram account. How to find who block you on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to see all these informations. Now go to Instagram. After you open your Instagram like this, now scroll down. Now you can tap by size. After you open your profile, now here is my profile. If you want to know who blocked you, now you can tap on this section. Go to this menu. In this menu, as you can see now, go and search for block. As you can see now, there is no option for you to see who blocked you in this section. All you can't be able to see who blocked you in all these options. As you can see now, if you scroll to down, if you tap on this section block, so these are the people that you block, but not the people you block you. So as you can see now, you may want to block. This is not the one that you want. You want to see the people that block you. So go back. You can't find this option on Instagram. I'll show you now the possible method to find this option. Close your Instagram. Go to your Play Store, App Store, and search for this application. As you can see now, follow. Here is the name. As you can see now, follow and unfollow pro. Followers and unfollow followers pro. So after you download this application now, here is the application now. Open the application. After you open the application, don't worry, just tap on the subscribe button. So tap on this cancel. So now tap on this section, cancel at the top. So in this section, for the first time, it will ask you to log in. So if you are logged in, so that's now your profile, and here is your followers and your following. If you scroll to down, the apps have different features. As you can see, new followers, lost followers, blockers. Here is option you need to go. Here is it now. So in this section, you can be able to see who block you on Instagram. Blockers. Here is the people that block me. I have 2 people that block me now on my Instagram account. Hope this video helps you out on how to check or how to find who block you, or how to know if someone block you. So this is the list of the people that block me. You can tap on this section to see their profiles. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.